What's up guys, so gawa tayo ng kansa sa bahay, siguro 4 minutes to 5, so kakantahan natin to. So for chords ko gamitin ko, let's play. Intro. It's there I was, that have everything figured out.